1 cup of warm water in a bowl. Add dry yeast and sugar. Mix well. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the yeast to activate. Add all-purpose flour, salt, olive oil, warm water, and activated yeast. Knead consistently to form a soft dough. Take little flour in hand and knead a little more for more softness. Dough should be stretchable as shown. Apply oil thoroughly in the instant pot. Add kneaded pizza dough. Close the lid and set instant pot on yogurt mold. Pizza dough is ready. Punch and knead lightly with hand before making a pizza. Smash the like button if you like this recipe video. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.